Okay, to use these tools now, no ad. So if you enter the link, I will give you now the link. If you check out my YouTube description or check out my Telegram channel. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, if you DM me, so I will send you now the link. So if you don't enter the site now, just go, make sure say you use desktop mode for best result. If you don't know where to see your desktop mode, enter your Chrome browser, click on the three dots. So if you click on the three dots, you go see where they write desktop site. So you go click am. So after you don click down, you go see the interface go change, so that you go fit see this thing very well and why you need to put am for desktop mode. So make I choose the image wey I wan use, wey I wan edit. You go see am now, it's very sharp. So I go just click am, upload the image. Can upload the image. So I choose this image. Done. I don upload am now. So I wan type my prompt. If you type anything, so I'll just type let me just type one thing. What can I type? Which I fit type for you now? Let me type in a restaurant. Okay, you can see it now. I'm typing in a restaurant. That is my prompt. So you can write anything when you want. So I'll just go down, scroll down. You see where they write run. So you click it. After clicking it, just wait, let the thing process. It is processing. So wait. Let's wait for the result. Within few seconds now, everything will be done. Let's wait for the output. So I dey drop many tools for my Telegram channel. If you never join, if you join, and I dey do tutorial on many of these crypto flasher day, everything day. So if you need any tools, just DM me. They are available. So like this now, you can see the result. You see say it's sharp. So if I want download that now, you go see the download icon. See it here. I've clicked on download. You can see it. You see it's not downloading. Let me open it. It's sharp. You can see it. Very sharp update. So make sure you join my Telegram channel for more updates. Thank you guys. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video and for more updates too.